What's this in here?
Super clean. 50-50. 50 water.
Oh, yeah.
50 straight. 50 natural flavor. Good. I could always use a rag. You talk a woman or
Huh?
a rag woman or no rag
A rag ass biatch.
from Kenosha.
Yeah.
'82, I was just driving down the street in Kenosha and this girl was walking there. I stopped to pick her up.
You saw her walking, you stopped to pick her up.
Yeah. In 1982. I was watching her a half hour later.
Damn.
She was eating.
You had her thumb up while you was driving past?
No, I went to her house. Went to her house. Her parents worked at AMC, she said.
What year was this?
82.
Do I gotta dry this shit off or let it sit?
Wash it off.
Wipe it off.
Yeah. It also takes paint off. Paint comes off, it'll be alright.
Yeah.
Her parents drove a Ford though. They didn't drive no AMC. Yeah, nice Lincoln.
You only fucked with her at one time or?
No, we continued. Like, I take her to the crossing.
To where? Crossland?
Chicago Northwestern and EJ&E Railroad Crossing. Like, well, nice spot. I fucked her all night. 10 hours. That's not.
10 hours non-stop.
Yeah. She's strong. She could take it. Never said no.
Yeah. How much you used to have to pay for it?
She wasn't expensive. She didn't need to be taken out in
Yeah. Simple hope.
yeah, she was just a regular old
Regular smuggler.
someone want to come clean, you got that powder out. Vacuum up?
Yeah.
You vacuum it?
I did vacuum it.
Good one, that's the other one.
What you say? I can't hear you.
I don't know where that white shit's coming from.
That's that baking soda.
What kind of cards is it? Yeah.
You don't understand a lot of shit going on fucking building these old school shit.
Yeah.
Shit ridiculous.
Good play if you're not careful. Rust. Can't get hurt.
You say?
Can't get hurt.
Yeah, that's the word.
I love parts card.
Some parts shit you can get, but it's fucking a 2-month wait and shit.
The front, the trim around the front, or no, the trim around the rear wing plastic, not the front row. How old is Mo?
I don't even know, man.
He looks like 50 or something. A little funny when I dropped her off one morning. She's walking all funny, dropped her mother goes, "What's wrong?" She goes, "I just been fucked all night."
Damn.
And I'm standing there. Whoop.
How the mom look?
Huh?
How did the mom look?
I don't know. Get out of there. I forget.
You should have tried to fuck her too, bro.
Mom and dad were both there.
Oh, damn. What the mom say when she told her that?
I don't remember her.
Did the dad hear that?
Yeah.
What'd he say?
Nothing. But her brother's girlfriend didn't like seeing me getting head from the living room.
Oh, wow. So what'd she say?
She comes running up to me and I just put the pillow over her. She thought I was gonna get up, you know.
Yeah.
Put her weight on it, just left it out. I guess her brother was on the way home. She called him.
Yeah.
And, I said, "Let's get out of here. I think it's time to leave." We got the fuck out of here. Where you got home? You ever go into Kenosha?
Time to time.
There's the road Roosevelt.
Yeah.
There's an old car dealership, real small, or a gas station.
Yeah.
He works on AMC's there. You know what I'm talking about?
No, I don't know Kenosha to know that.
It's on the south side of the street. He works on the AMC, does high performance and stuff.
What's the name of this?
I forget it, but
You know what? I think I do know what you're talking about. When you're going north, it's gonna be on your right hand side.
no, the road goes this way, diagonally.
Don't.
Any street that's named is diagonal. The other ones are streets and avenues. Right?
So any name in Kenosha Street is what?
Diagonal.
Is diagonal.
Yeah, not north and south.
I bet people from Kenosha that did, you probably don't even know that. It's a fun fact right there.
You know what I did? It's so fucking mistake. I reversed the numbers and went to the wrong fucking address. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got the street, it's the avenue, avenue, the
Street, yeah.
They were like, "Where were you?" I went there. Did your son win the football game?
Man, it was a scrimmage and hell no.
Wow.
Yeah, man. They gotta step it up in practice, man.
Good. '85 Bears. That's all I remember.
That's when they
Best
won
year.
the Super Bowl.
Yeah, the best year. The year I bought the house. The Bears won.
Oh yeah, 85?
Yeah.
That's what this is.
Yeah.
85 Monte Carlo.
85. It was a good year for me. Had my fucking wife beat. Best moment out there. It's really different looking around here. No houses at all.
Oh, wood and shit.
Yeah, it was all wood over there. There's a farm back there. Farmland.
Yeah.
I think they didn't farm it every year though. Some years it wasn't. And then down the street to the east, guy would shoot deer. And then we got hungry to shoot a deer.
Yeah.
I don't know, I hated it.
How is deer meat? I never had it.
Venison?
How good is it?
It's okay. It's something to eat. Not as good as beef as I thought, but it's okay. I think it was. This one guy, a Buick mechanic, damn good. I like to party too. He liked to do everything. My father said he came in one day so fucking hungover he just slept on the fucking alignment machine all day. Couldn't do anything. I think he lived in Chicago. He was a Buick 455 lover. He said he built one for a drag strip. He put it in storage. Never went back to get it.
What they do, sell it?
They sold it. He went back one day eventually and it wasn't there.
Damn.
How'd you like to get a nice fucking 455 like $500? All built up.
Yeah.
There's certain years that the blocks and heads are better than others. And the crank. Block heads and crank. Good starting. You gotta have a good block. You gotta have good heads. You gotta have a good crankshaft. Like that. It'll break otherwise.
Fucking filthy.
It's super clean. Look at that. They pissed on it.
Fucking mice.
That's a good candidate for that tub. Looks like mice. That's the driver's side. Or no, this is the driver's. Look how clean that looks.
Yeah.
Looks like new. New old stock. NOS. Did you ever see it?
New old stock.
Yeah.
What that mean?
It's new part, but it's been around for a long time.
Oh,
New
so that,
old stock. It's been
Yeah.
on the shelf for 30, 40 years. But it's new.
yeah.
It's still in the box. NOS.
So you think that's the original one out the car, or that's
Yeah, this
replica?
original. Definitely. Fuse box right here. This goes over here. I should have asked the guy on the motorcycle after we came up to the intersection how fast we were going.
Oh, you don't got a speedometer on it?
It's just got that 85 thing.
Oh, you know, on the new phone, you can download the app, and it has it on the phone for you.
What's that?
Your speedometer. It'll tell you how fast your car going, because you're inside it with the car, with the phone.
No.
Yeah, they got that. I'll show it to you.
App?
Yo, it's an app.
What's that abbreviation for?
It's like an application. I think, I don't know. You know, like how you can add shit to your phone?
App.
That makes your phone better.
It makes it like into a, there's a thing you can buy to tell you how fast you can accelerate
Yeah.
and stop and all burn.
Yep.
Or if it has something to do with that.
I don't know.
Or if it has the satellite come down or
I mean, they got everything in the phone now. Fucking, do all type of shit.
like new.
They ain't got everything
So
on
right
there.
there.
Make that with black.
No, I wouldn't change these. You put those back in the trunk.
These awesome.
They're done.